Kani gade ka Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hennen kasngi ka pratrek ujemang, Ketenat Arts and Culture jong ka sarkar jela, kala rakhe yak lengkho sikha ka basis pa san penyo jong wei ni kiriu kraw kari India jungi, Rabindranath Tagore, bat yakni ka jeng rakhe la pelong hapo Sosotham Auditorium Shillong. Rabindranath Tagore udai wei ni ki kraw perkhat jong kari India, ubalong ru unong tho poetry, unong tho jingrai, novels, bat ki kat jing tu khana bapau nam hakari. Hakani kasngi bala rakhe yakani kasngi kha ka basis pa san penyo jong uniu kraw perkhat kari, o Menteri Badikmi ya Ketenat Arts and Culture jong ka sarkar jela uba AL heng ulalong ukongsan rengkat kejiran lang jong ka director jong kani Ketenat ikong Matsiu Dorwar Nongbri IS bat kiwe de ki he sarkar. Hakani kasngi la yoru yak jing tam jing pon ki jing ruai ba jing shat na ki kan hon baper bat ru ka jing le ka skit na ka kan hon jong ikong Silbi bat ru ka jing le ka skit na ka kan hon jong ikong Silbi pasa.
The pirates in his memoirs described the winding road to Shillong as Akka Baka Path, with eye-catching jungles on either side of the road. He had also celebrated the aromatic emanations from the pine trees. He was equally charmed by the union of unknown flowers in the evergreen hills in the Khasi Hills. The eternal chorus that Tagore was amplified in his verse Shillong Chichi, letter from Shillong, Gomi Jakal, Tuklo na Od Pathar, Hawa Sarbote, Hanna Hote, difficult to pronounce, Shillong Namak Parbote. When the heat summer could not be met, even the fans and also soft drink, he rushed rushed to the hills of Shillong.
Orang